మార్నింగ్ గాయ్స్. స్నానం అయిపోయింది. నా డ్రెస్. ఓకే, టుడే ఈజ్ ద ఎగ్జామ్ డే and I am kind of excited. I feel nice, fresh. I am This is Bharat. Hi, Bharat. Hey guys, Archu's back.
I'm sleepy, bro. I slept at 4, you know.
I know this girl. I know this girl very well. That's why I already told you to sleep early.
I didn't want to, keep completing 5th chapter. I want to revise the whole chapters. So yesterday I just read 5th chapter.
You just read the 5th chapter and how was it?
You can write it, bro.
Okay, we are going to GC to have breakfast at the same
coffee.
time. Okay, coffee is there, but to study also because no one will disturb. Hey guys, last what is that ray? Mids కూడా కలిసి ఇట్లాంటి దానిపైననే
ఒక బెంచ్ పైన కూర్చున్నాం. మేము నలుగురం కూర్చొని చదువుకుంటుండే మిడ్స్ కూడా. ఇప్పుడు కూడా మేము నలుగురం కూర్చొని చదువుకుంటాం.
yes. All the best to us guys. We are done with studying and it's time. Kitna bacha time?
9:13. Our exam is at 9:30. Going.
You have to go washroom also.
He has to go.
Okay, best of luck Harchi.
Best of luck. Between exams.
Memo I got into a different room and they both are in one room. So నాది 5th floor లో, నాది 4th floor లో, వీళ్ళది 5th floor లో ఉంది. So yeah,
system फाड़ देंगे.
हाँ मैम, और मैम is so savage. पूरा सिस्टम फाड़ दो बोल के बोल रहे मैम हमारे. Okay guys, see you after the exam. Archie, see you after the exam.
See you after the exam.
All the best to me guys. I'm going near the thing. So see you after the exam.
It is.
Guys, you are done with the exam guys. How did it go?
Easy. It was easy.
It was fine. The paper is very easy. But then इधर उधर थोड़ा ऐसा हुआ, but that's fine. अच्छा ही लिखे bro. अच्छा लिखे bro.
I was so happy looking at the
I was so happy that this question, the numerical question came. Yeah. I used calculator.
I was so happy that they gave a standard deviation already. उसमें टाइम चला जाता था अपना पूरा.
I wanted that question bro where I saw the whole thing, but it's okay. Guys, we are done with the exam.
लुट गए.
వాళ్ళిద్దరు మంచిగా రాసి అందుకే వాళ్ళు బ్లాగ్ It is
What did you even say? You shouldn't walk with us after you said that.
said what?
Shouldn't walk
See,
with us.
you wrote it. Even if the exam went good or bad, vlogging is my work. So I'm vlogging. అరే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది ఆంటీ రమ్మంటుంటే. Hi, this is Aditi guys. ఇవే బాగానే రాసిన ఎగ్జామ్. నేను కూడా బాగానే రాసిన ఎగ్జామ్. 8 markers not satisfying. और बोल रहे
All.
our mind is at what state, you know. You can understand from this vlog.
गुस्सा आ रहा.
मेरा माइंड सेट कैसा है बोले तो काइंड का मैं फाइंड लिखी.
फार्मिंग हैबिट्स को मैं फार्मिंग लिखी.
But okay, whatever it is. Done with day 1.
Done with it, bro.
done with statistics and personality. We'll meet tomorrow.
Half of the day was really nice and half of the day was like very.
Katta. Okay, guys. Hi, guys. వచ్చి పడుకున్నాను నేను because I was so done. My brain was not working. My brain was not working in personality exam only. So చదవడానికి brain అస్సలు పనిచేస్తలేకుండా. That's why I came. I had dinner and then I slept for 2 hours. I think I slept at 8 o'clock. Now it's 10. Now I sat to study. We can now actually sit for a late night study and then sleep for 2 hours or so. That is what I thought and I slept. So yeah, tomorrow we have UPD, that is Understanding Personality Disorders. So basically I have to study about schizophrenia, ADHD, split personality, bipolar, all these things. Never mind, guys. Let's study. Okay, bye. This is what I love about summer. Guys, Krispy Kreme. Here are the donuts, guys. Guys, it's not happening. My head is hurting a lot and I am so done reading, studying, whatever you want to say. It's 1:30. I was just thinking tomorrow morning I'll just go to college and I think I have about 1.5 hours to study there. So if I sit correctly, I can just read everything up because I already have a brief basic knowledge about what is what. So కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అయితే ఉంది మనలో, కానీ ఎంత ఏమవుతుందో మనకు తెలియదు. కానీ ఈ కాన్ఫిడెన్సే మనకి పనికి తీసుకుపోతుంది. అందుకే నేను పడుకుంటున్నాను ఇప్పుడు. నేను నిజంగా నా మెంటల్ స్టేట్ ఎట్లుంది తెలుసా మీకు చూపిస్తాను. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేసిన, దిస్ ఇస్ మై ల్యాప్టాప్ గైస్. ఓకే, దిస్ ద ల్యాప్టాప్ కవర్. ల్యాప్టాప్ కవర్లో ల్యాప్టాప్ పెట్టకుండా నా బుక్ పెట్టిన, లిటరలీ నా బుక్ పెట్టినాను. లిటరలీ దిస్ ఇస్ ద కరెంట్ స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ మై మైండ్. You can see in what state I am. So please let me sleep. I want to sleep. I don't care about the exam, honestly telling. I hate this college because final exams lo gap etakunda two exams at once and next day morning you put another exam. What the hell is this? No, without wasting any other time, let's go sleep. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow morning. Good morning, guys. I feel so fresh, nice and alive, honestly. మంచి పెట్టురా, అట్టే కాదు పెట్టని కూడా సరే.
బ్లాగరా
డొనేట్ తింటున్నా. చూపిప్రా నువ్వు వీడియోగ్రాఫర్ అంటే.
పక్కనే ఉంది ఒక డోనట్ కూడా పెట్టట్లేదు.
300 ఎందుకులే,
300 అంట చిన్నది పొట్టుది.
ఇది చెప్తాను. క్రిస్పీ క్రీమ్ డోనట్ గైస్ చెప్పండి మీకు 300 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంకెంత చేస్తారు, చదవనియరు, ఫుల్ మాట్లాడుతుంటారు, ఫుల్ నాయిస్ చేస్తారు. పాపం మొత్తం బస్ సఫర్ అవుతుంది వీళ్ళు మొన్న నాకు తెలుసు.
కేటగిరీలో ఫస్ట్ ఈమె.
హలో, నిన్న ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ పెట్టుకుని నా దగ్గర కూర్చుంటా. అవునా కదే? అవునా?
అవో
ఏంది అవును అన్నది
నీ ముందు అన్నది తర్వాత చూడు.
మళ్ళీ ఏమన్నా
అవి వచ్చేసి ఏమనలే.
నువ్వు కావాలని చేస్తున్నామని. పాపం జూనియర్, అది అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎక్స్ట్రా చేయడం చదవనిస్తున్నాడు. నేను ఇప్పుడు నిజంగా సీరియస్గా చదువుతున్నాను. ఓకే, how did your exam go?
It was nice also. It was nice. We didn't study that much, but the paper was easy. We wrote off.
Now we will go home. We'll go home. Bag लगाएंगे. Okay guys. Bye. मैं बोली तू hat डाली. मैं तो ऐसे चल रही हूँ, तो ऐसा कर रही guys. बोला आवारा. Hi guys. I am going to start studying photography and filmmaking. I have filmmaking in the morning and photography in the afternoon. So I have 2 exams tomorrow. So let's start studying for that. So ఇప్పుడు ఎంత టైం 12:21 అవుతుంది. నేను బ్రీఫ్గా చదివేసిన, మొత్తం చదివేసిన. సో ఇప్పుడు అయితే నేను పడుకుంటా. పొద్దున బస్సులో చదువుకుందాం, మళ్ళీ ఆడికి పోయి చదువుకుందాం, మళ్ళీ ఎగ్జామ్ రాసిద్దాం. సో యా, see you guys tomorrow morning. And also, if I'm done with tomorrow's exam, 4 days holidays వస్తాయి bro. చదువుకోవాలి. At the same time I have to do few things and all. So yeah. Okay, see you guys tomorrow morning. Hi guys, good morning. I'm very sleepy. This is my outfit. I'm going to GC. I'll go there, sit, start studying. Are we ready for the exam, Archie? Yeah, she is, guys. I'm
Shut up.
okay, fine. I am
What,
ready.
she studied yesterday night. Everything. This is an easy exam, bro. She studied yesterday night. Today also morning. अभी जब से revision ही कर रही है अभी बैठ के. I started today morning only, bro. After coming to college.
You saw what I was reading. Literally one line of every question.
Still.
Okay, guys.
No, that is what.
After coming from the exam, we will meet.
Great this Sunday.
Exam went very easy, guys. Very easy. Whatever the materials are shared, they వచ్చింది. He was only talking about Scotting. The paper whole talking about
Location scouting.
But I wrote very nicely. Yeah. We are going to Veg Block and we will sit there and
Studies hai. What? Psychology.
photography is also easy only. We are going for the exam. ఏదో చదివినాం, తెలియని చదివినాం, నన్ను చదివినాం, తెలుసు చదివినాం, కానీ చదివినాం. I'll update you how to write the exam after the exam. Okay, bye. Look at my halat, guys. Okay, so basically the paper went fine because I don't know what the hell he wanted to give. It went well only because fine. Because me and Archie, we read what sir sent us properly. That's why itna to bhi likh saki, or else because the other sections sir did not even send anything like basic. He did not send anything for them. So the ones who are in his class, they are all gone. All gone. So fine. It was not that great wow paper. It was fine. I was just like, when will I get out of this room? That is what was going in my mind the whole time. मेरा नाक लाल हो गया ब्रो. What is this? I'm tired. Is all I can tell now. Okay guys, let's go have something. Hi guys. Okay, so tomorrow is my transpersonal psychology's exam, and I am preparing for it. I'm preparing very well. So basically, ఏదో కొంచెమే స్టార్ట్ చేసిన. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ yet even in middle or somewhere. I've just started. These are the printout guys. So yeah, because my eyes are hurting a lot if I'm watching screen. So I was like, at least paper solution I can study any. I asked my dad to get print out. Morning guys. I forgot to vlog in the morning after I woke up. I'm in the bus right now and I'm on my way to college and I'm studying. I have come to GC now. GC guys. So I will start studying, and Archie must be on her way to GC. And I'm just thinking of having something like that. But because of shortage of gas, everybody made only uttapam, idli, it or something is there. So vegetarians guys. Never mind, let's see. I'll see if I'm gonna have something or not. Or else let's just study, go write exam and then go have a juice and go home. That is the plan for today. And I was just thinking in the bus that tomorrow is the last day of my second year. That is actually exciting, as well as very, I feel like I don't know how to feel about it honestly. So yeah, so there's so many things which I learned, and I have grown up as a person and everything. So yeah, my second year has been a really I had so many ups and downs, but still I am almost near the end and I'm proud of myself. I would want to say that. Okay, so now let's just have something if I want to and just get back to study. And tomorrow is the last exam and the easiest exam, that is academic writing. So yeah, okay. It's already almost 9:30 and we are late. We are rushing to the class or exam hall, whatever you want to say. All the best to us guys. Meet you after the exam. How was the exam?
It was
Okay, nice.
okay. See, it was stressful, but also not stressful. But still stressful, but not that stressful. You know what I mean?
It was basically like whatever we knew, we just put it in the paper.
Yeah.
So like literally the personal knowledge, like not the exam knowledge.
Exam knowledge also, but thodu. Personal knowledge also, but thodu.
Thodu.
Mix करके बड़ू.
Like that. So more than the question paper, I'm happy that the exam is done. Hi guys, I just had the lunch and these two girlies are with me. I don't know what the topic is on me.
Why don't
It's
you like that?
too big.
So what? It's posh.
It's like
डिप्रेशन
Bye.
it's all empty.
There's no one
Almost.
एग्जाम्स सिर्फ हमको रखे.
क्यों?
क्योंकि हमको फर्स्ट 2 days नहीं रखे.
It's okay, Archie. Chilla. So yeah, here we are. We completed our last second exam.
What did you say?
We completed our last second exam.
I heard Allah
Yeah.
Subramaniam, bro. I heard
Okay.
Allah Subramaniam.
Okay.
You have to react to that.
Oh my God. 2, 3.
Are you blind? Even with 4 eyes.
Hi, Japandi. Hi.
How did you write exam, guys? Amma.
ఏమో నింపినా గైస్ మొత్తం నేనైతే అనుకుంటున్నా చేతితో రాసిన అంతేగా చేతితో రాసిన పెన్తో రాసిన
పర్సనాలిటీ ఆమె నాకు ఇంటర్నల్స్ లో ఫుల్
ఓకే గైస్ బాయ్
ఫుల్ అంటే మరి ఒక
See you. in the evening when I'm studying. हम लोग दूसरे ईवी बस में आके बैठे for AC.
and it's so nice.
You can see
हवा मार रही.
it's very hot outside guys.
दिखा चमक रही. चक्कर आई.
1 बजे हमारा बस स्टार्ट होने का थी.
अभी 12:15 बज रहे हैं.
Last exam, last day of second year, guys. Yeah! I'm not feeling well at all.
I mean,
You don't mean anything.
लिखना है एग्जाम पर पढ़.
Bro, academic writing also she is worrying, bro. What should I tell now?
Because they won't ask us to write essay directly. They will.
Fourth chapter is nothing. APA format, MLA format.
What is that format? That only I don't know. No?
APA format, Association Psychological.
American psychological.
See, this is what I know. Okay, so today is the last day of this college, and I'll meet you guys in third year when I come to this college. I will be recording in this college when I'm in my third year. Yeah! We are done with the exam, guys.
Yes, and it was very very easy, bro. Like you know, ऐसे चुटकियों में लिख दिया, bro.
तो क्या बोलना था? Last day of second year RC. Oh my
So we're going to
God.
be super seniors,
Yeah.
and that is going to be our last
year. Crazy. So many.
कल ही है लरे कॉलेज को. नहीं रे टाइम हुआ कॉलेज को आके. But
पर
लोग से
juniors कल्ली चाहे थे.
हाँ juniors कल ही चाहे
It
थे.
doesn't feel like.
Yeah, juniors कल ही चाहे थे, bro. And I met these people like when did I meet you, bro? Personally I met you, no re.
But there is so much we learned about relationships, about friendships, about people, about back bitching, everything. I am manually functioning. I am not functioning mentally. I am so done, exhausted mentally and almost physically also. I don't know why. But it's okay, guys. Exams are done. कल से holidays. But our internship is going to start, so
It's okay. It is a fun experience.
yeah, it is. Yeah.
That is another experience.
Okay, guys, it is the end of the vlog. If you like it, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll meet you in my next video.